This latest monoblock system is a fully robotic unit able to make multi-flavor or multi-product, so different kind of SKUs in the same box, and is equipped with ACOPOSstrak technology. First point is that is a top-loading unit, fully robotic, so forming, loading and closing are all made by a 2-axis robot. This is a big plus in terms of quality of product squaring, case squaring, accessibility and operations. So all the blank magazines are at a accessible level, and thanks to the robot, the unit itself is very accessible. Second point is that is capable of making multi-flavor or multiple products in the same box. This means that we receive product from 3 different units, 2 or 3 different units based on different needs, machine SKUs, different recipes. One of the latest requests from the market. The market is, especially in USA, is going in this direction, and in order to accommodate this requirement, we made this unit. This system of multi-flavor, multiple variety has been done thanks to ACOPOSstrak technology, which is linear motor technology supplied by B&R, and this system consists in different shuttle able to move into a kind of ring, into a kind of track, and all the shuttle are independent. This is very helpful when we talk about phasing a box, especially in a multi-flavor, multiple SKU context, because this is it allows the robot to load product in different position, and it allows the robot to load several times the same box. This is very helpful, as I said, for multiple flavor. The latest technology on this monoblock machine, monoblock line, is ACOPOSstrak technology that consists in linear motors. ACOPOSstrak is supplied by B&R, and it's basically linear motors, so independent shuttle installed on a ring. We use this technology to phase boxes because we think is the real added value. We can receive product in a certain position by a 2-axis robot, pick product and load the product into the case. This system with independent shuttle allows us, first of all, to load in 2 different points product, and allows us to load multiple SKU. So each box is independent, and we can basically create different configuration, different count based on different recipes. This technology is also very appreciated and very helpful for the changeover, because it's equipped with a gripper, let's call it gripper for box, which is adjustable, self-adjustable, and when we need to change a format from a small box to a big box or to a medium box, it's really easy, and the system changes the dimension of the gripper by itself. The real difference between this machine and, let's say, previous models is the phasing system, is box phasing system, so the way we transport boxes around the machine. As I said, box phasing system is done by B&R, ACOPOSstrak, which is linear motor technology with independent shuttle, and basically we form the box, the case, the box, and we load the box into an independent shuttle. Each shuttle is equipped with a gripper. Gripper is self-adjustable from format to format, and as I said, all shuttles are independent, so we can create different group of boxes, so we can load different boxes, a different number of boxes per cycle. We can load boxes in different position, so and this allows a lot of flexibility in terms of operative range, a lot of flexibility in terms of changeover, and a lot of flexibility in terms of multiple flavor we can do on that machine. For Cama customer, this machine implies a lot of benefits. First of all is a reduced changeover time. This system with independent shuttle and adjustable gripper is very useful when you need to change format several times. So this is the first benefit for customer. Easy to change over, easy and fast changeover, which implies less cost for the customer. The second benefit is flexibility. It's a very flexible line that can make different kind of boxes, so starting from a very small box to a big box. So the operative range is the second benefit. So customer with this machine can make different SKUs, so can sell on different markets. And the third benefit, the third point is of course the capability of making multi-flavor, which is a dedicated branch of the market, which is really growing, especially in US, and it's very important. Multi-flavor is not easy to be made, and with this system we can make it in a single unit, so we make easy what looks difficult. Cama Group is developing a lot of new solutions, starting from automation to software, like for example augmented reality. We are investing a lot in terms of automation, like integration of system, for example B&R, ACOPOSstrak, or independent shuttle, linear motor technology. And this is the first step. This is very good. This is very important for Cama because we can provide our customer with a fully integrated solution, very flexible and capable of doing multiple tasks. The other point where we are investing a lot is augmented reality, so software, in order to provide our customer with an ACE tool for operation, maintenance, and overall to make machine more smart.